This is the new Pilot NG 78-inch. New as of 2/27/26. So I'm opening it. We'll see what's in here.
Not doing a very good job of opening. Cool.
Oh, by the way, this is scheme number 9. Woohoo! Oh boy. Okay. This is the rudder. You tell I'm good at this, huh? You can see you are going to have to glue these in. It's nice. This is the part that interests me. One of the parts anyway, the elevator. Servos are supposed to go in here, I think. We'll find out here in a minute. Ooh. Servos go right in there. I don't know if you can see it. Fairly small servos, 15 millimeters. Ryu says they're fine with the Pilot, whatever, 21. So this will be interesting getting it in there. Pre-hinged. Ring, quick connect. Here's 2 bolts or strapping bolts. How the elevators put in here? Oh, I guess they go in here. I guess we can find out, huh? So here's a plane coming out of the. It needs a little bit of a heat gun. Should get rid of that. This is very snug. Don't quite see how this comes out. Oh, there it goes. Oh, wow. Where do the servos go? I guess you knock that out. The servo would go in there. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna put this back in the bag a second. The other wing. Do you know how to do with razor blade? Nice spinner. Wheel pads I'm not going to use. Whatever these things are called, fairings. I think this is for strengthening the engine box vents. I'm going to see how I use these because I'm using canisters. Miscellaneous parts. Here are wheels. I think they're made of foam. Extra servo mounts. Probably for the choke. Axles. Smallest not a screwdriver, the smallest wrench in the world. A whole bunch of other stuff that I don't know what they are. But we'll figure it out. Here's the canopy with a plastic one so you can mock it up. Just making sure it's pretty. But you light up good in the sky too. The blend. Aluminum painted to match landing gear. That's so cool. Side force generators, the decal, which I'm definitely gonna put on because it's nice. Spare wrap, which isn't enough to do anything with.
The fuselage.
Pretty to me. So here's the engine box. Looks fine, I guess. I don't know if it needs reinforcement. I would say probably not, but also wouldn't hurt. Cowling mouse here. Probably the rest around here. See if I can figure out how this quick connect works. Yeah, you're gonna have to give me a minute to see if I can figure out how this works. These don't pull, or they don't pull or push or nothing. You just kind of move it up and around. The first time it's harder than the second time, because that wasn't so bad. Got plenty of space here. This is the inside of the plane. This is oriented wrong, but that's obviously easy to fix. And this is pretty much it. Here's a pull, which I'm not very familiar with, but I guess I'll have to get myself familiar with. And that's the plane, I think. I don't think there's anything else to show. Well, thanks for watching. Maybe there'll be more videos.